Hi Tex, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to write and execute a simple trivia game in Python using AI on the Mac. We will use Microsoft Copilot. Also, make sure you have Python installed on your computer. Okay, let's begin. First, launch your browser and search for Microsoft Copilot or go to copilot.microsoft.com. Now type write a simple trivia game in Python. Now AI will generate the code for you. Go to the upper right hand corner and click copy to copy the code. Now launch any text editor on your Mac. For this demonstration, I will use brackets. I will place the code and save it as trivia.py. Search and launch the terminal program on your Mac. Type Python free and click on the space bar. It will automatically type the location of the file. Now click enter. The trivia game will start. It will ask you a few questions. Try to answer the questions, right? Yes, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. And try this yourself and participate in trivia games too. I like that.